Joewhat, and today at the Hotel Motel, I am getting a little hungry, and I'm gonna show you a little secret that maintenance men that work at the Hotel Motel don't want you to know. When it is our lunch break, we cook up some good food here in the room. That's right, and today I'm gonna show you that secret, and I'm gonna show you how we make a grilled cheeses sandwiches. I mean, what? Welcome back. So the first thing we're gonna need for a grilled cheese sandwiches is 2 pieces of Velveeta cheese, which I got from under my nuts. Two pieces of delicious Velveeta. And there is the nuts. Delicious! For an appetizer after we eat our sandwiches. The second thing we're gonna need, of course, is the bread. White, rye, or wheat. Whatever you desire, I'm gonna go with the white bread. So there's 1. And there's 2. What? The third thing we're gonna need, well, of course, is the margarine, the butter, the delicious coating of that goo you put on your bread to make it nice and golden brown. That's right, you don't want stiff butter. No, 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 no. You want soft butter. So I've been keeping my butter all day inside my butt crack. Ooh. That's right. It's a little swampy, but it is the perfect texture for a toasted cheese coating of butter smoothness on top of a piece of bread. I'm getting so excited, I don't even know what I'm saying. All right, so the first step of making your toasted cheese sandwich is you want to coat the side of your bread with your butter. That's right, the soft butter, remember, that I had up inside my crack? Look at that. Look how nice and soft that looks. Now, since I don't have a knife, I do have this drywall tape knife. We'll just go ahead. You want to get a nice little bit up there on your knife and go ahead and spread it just like so, evenly all over your bread. Oh, like that. Not too much, just right. And go ahead, only one side, only do one side, and go ahead and do your other piece of bread. Oh man. Now you're probably wondering why I had it hidden, because the owners, you can't, as a maintenance man, this is a secret. You can't let them know that you have food on you. So we have to hide it to get it in here. So that's why, you know, yeah, okay, whatever. There's your piece of bread, toasted. No. All right, guys, once you get both pieces of bread coated with butter, only one side, we're gonna go ahead and put that cheese right between. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and cook our grilled cheese sandwich. So you're thinking, well, why don't we use the microwave? No, that's a number one no, because it becomes soggy. You can't even call it a grilled cheese sandwich. No. So the secret here is you got to use, that's right, the griddle. The griddle of all griddles. The griddle that makes everything taste delicious here at the Hotel Motel. And I am talking about the iron. That's right. This is the griddle of all griddles. So what we do is we take an ice bucket and we set this bad boy right in there, just like that. Nice and flat. That's what you want. So we want to go ahead and plug her in, and you want it on 700 watts. The hotter it is, the better it'll be. So once your iron, your griddle is nice and hot, you want to go ahead and put on your toasted cheese sandwich. Just like so. Nice. All right, so we're gonna let that cook for a little bit on one side, and then we will flip it. While that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and make some tomato soup. First thing you're gonna need is 1 cup of water. Go ahead and fill up your free cup that's inside your room with a cup of water. And then go over to your coffee pot. That's right. And go ahead and place it in there like you're making a cup of coffee. All right, while that's percolating, we're gonna go back to our toasted cheese sandwich, see how it's doing. Look at that, you could just smell the deliciousness. And go ahead and let's flip it. It could have stayed there a little bit longer, but that's okay. That's okay. So I want to tell you a little story. When Fabio made the best, the most delicious hanger steak ever. I mean, I love that guy. I really did. He taught us a lot on how to cook food here at the Hotel Motel. And his hanger steak, I mean, it was to die for. He actually took 2 irons. It was like a panini press. A panini press. I mean, he had, my mouth is just watering with delight. I mean, he made the perfect European white truffle sauce that you would ever taste in your life. I mean, right up on that hanger steak. I mean, it was so good. I mean, I miss that guy. So now let's check on our toasted cheese sandwich. All right. Man, I must have grabbed the wrong iron. It's just not hot enough, but it's getting there. It's getting there. Maybe try to turn it up a little more here. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and make our tomato soup. So there it is. We got the hot water nice and hot. So you're wondering, well, how are you gonna make tomato soup? Well, guys, if you go to the gas station, you can get some free tomato packets. That's right, we got a Speedway right across the street, so bam, got me some free tomato packets. And what you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and dump 2 packets of ketchup right into your hot water, just like so. This is what my dad lived on when he was a little boy, most of his life, because they couldn't afford real tomato soup. They had to make it with ketchup. That's right. So 2 packets in your hot water and go ahead and mix it up. I gotta get a mixer. Now, would you look at this delicious cup of tomato soup, which was free to make. I mean, if you don't learn from this video, then there's no hope for you. All right, let's see how this is going. Let's go ahead and flip our... Oh, look at that golden brown of deliciousness. Ooh, yeah. So it's 10 minutes on both sides. 10 minutes, then flip it, 10 minutes, and then flip it. And if it's not done to your liking, 10 minutes, and then flip it, and 10 minutes, and then flip it. Got it? Good. Okay, guys, well, time is running out here. Lunchtime is almost over, and I would like to eat my toasted cheese sandwich. So, it is golden brown enough. I mean, it could cook a little bit longer, but we're gonna go ahead and eat it because it looks delicious. Look at that cheese, that deliciousness, that gooey. Look, I mean, oh man. Man. All right. So we're going to go ahead. Ooh, I cannot wait to try this. We're going to go ahead and dip it. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. Man, if Fabio could see me now. I wish he was here. I wish Fabio still worked here. But that lucky guy, I think he's the president of Melt. I'm not sure, but he would be proud. Yeah, this is good. Man, this hits the spot. So let's try the tomato soup by itself. Oh man, oh, that hits the spot. Man, time for that appetizer. Time for some nuts in my mouth. Man, take me out to the ball game. Nothing like nuts, toasted cheese sandwich, and some tomato soupices. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed a little secret on how to cook a grilled cheeses sandwich. I mean, don't try it because you can get in trouble and you can set off the fire alarm. It wouldn't be a good idea. But I am a maintenance man here at the Hotel Motel, so I'm allowed to do it. Right? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you here. I will see you there. And maybe I'll see you anywhere. Thanks for watching Joewhat. And I will see you on the next one. I mean, what? You're gonna think twice next time you use an iron at a hotel motel. Right? Guys, there's literally a lady walking her cat on a rope. Only here at the Hotel Motel. Kitty, 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 kitty.